The day is finally here. We have 2020.12.5, which comes with cheetah mode if you have the performance model of a car, but who cares about that? We have the big feature that I and a lot of other people have been waiting for, the Dashcam and Sentry Mode Viewer. So you can view the video clips right here on the display, because that only makes sense. And this update, I'm gonna file under a big update just because I've been waiting for this feature for so long. And we can also see out of order supercharger stalls, but that's something else. I mean, that's cool, but Dashcam Viewer, okay? So in this update, we finally have the Dashcam Viewer. You can watch saved Dashcam clips or Sentry Mode events on the touchscreen without having to unplug your hard drive and find a computer laying around. This right here is a game changer because this is what we've needed since the Dashcam feature came to fruition. And remember, this means you can see the front, the left, the right, and the rear cameras all on the screen at the same time. We also have out of order supercharger stalls, so if a stall's out of order, it'll let you know, so when you get there, you won't be surprised. But I'm more interested in the Dashcam Viewer. So to access the Dashcam Viewer, you have to make sure your car's in park. We're gonna tap on the Dashcam icon at the top, and now you have a save footage option as well as a launch viewer option. All we have to do is tap on launch viewer, and bam, just like that, it launches. And this right here is our last Sentry Mode event. We can see every different camera angle just by tapping on the icon. And just like that, it's pretty awesome. Now, after playing around with this for a few minutes, I did notice a few things. The Dashcam actually only shows up the save videos and not the videos that it records that you didn't save. So if you didn't manually save the video, guess what? It's not gonna show up here, which I guess makes sense because you probably didn't see anything happen. As for Sentry Mode, we get every Sentry Mode event that got recorded, and we can go take a look at any of them. So let's see what we got here. This one right here is at night. We can see the front camera right here, the rear, the left, the right, and it looks like it was raining this day. I did notice if you want to see the part that actually triggered the Sentry alert or the part that you saved on the Dashcam, you scroll over to about the 10-minute mark, about 50 seconds before the video ends, and that's actually when the event went down. 9:50, and let's see what's about to go down. Right here we're looking at the front camera. Okay, I think I remember this one. This guy right here is not gonna know how to use a roundabout and almost hit me. So we're passing him up, we're going straight. He's supposed to go straight, but guess what? He's like, nope, I wanna go left. So then he goes left, and he would've hit me if he wasn't paying attention and looking at me. So it's really cool because the Dashcam and Sentry record the 10 minutes before the event as well as about a minute after the event occurred. So really, this Dashcam feature is super nice. The only problem I'm seeing with it, which isn't much of a problem, although I'm sure they can do this, we need a way to share the video to our phone or to an email or something, maybe through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. I know there's options, because right now the video's still gonna be stuck on here, and I guess you could put your phone against it just like this and record it if you really had to. So I guess that works. You know what? Easy fix right there. Although I'm still hoping that feature will come eventually. If we take a look at the top next to the Dashcam icon, we do have a new Sentry Mode icon because MGM didn't like their icon being used. And this right here is what we've always wanted to see, and it's finally here. When you have a new Sentry Mode alert, boom, you could tap to view. And just like that, it'll pop up what happened. So I think this is actually when I came out to the car just now, so let's see when it happens, around 10 minutes. Let's get up here. Okay, we're at 9:50, we're about to see me come through. So there I am. There I am. There I am. Look at me. That's me. Ha! Pretty cool, huh? And of course, if you want to delete a useless video, there's a little trash can icon right here. Just tap on that, and bam, delete. All right, guys, there's one more thing I wanted to test out that I know is in this update, which wasn't mentioned. And right here is where we're gonna do it, stop sign. And bam, right here on the visualization, it says stop on the stop sign now. Oh, it even shows that stop sign way down there. And it says stop on that one too. That's pretty awesome, right? I can't wait till it stops at stop signs by itself. That'll be a game changer. So all in all, the Dashcam Viewer works very well. You can see the video from every angle right here on the display, so you don't have to remember, okay, I gotta unplug this, I gotta go inside, plug it in my laptop, bring my laptop outside if I wanna do it in the car. Now, boom, it's right here. Now the viewer is a little bit buggy. Sometimes when I'm seeking through, the video restarts and I have to keep going back. So I feel like there might need to be some work done with it, but it definitely gets the job done. And if you're in a pinch and you need to see what went down, you could definitely see it right here and then record it with your phone if you have to, since we can't share it yet. But hopefully, Elon, I hope you're listening, let us Wi-Fi direct it over to our phone through the app or something. That'll be cool. I'm down. Let me know what you guys think of the new update because I am loving it just because of that. I've been waiting for that so long. I can't believe it's here. I wonder what's next.